Loofy, that's my cord. Alright? I don't want you chewing on it or messing with it. Alright? That's my cord. Alright? You don't chew on cords. Okay? Don't look at me with that face. I saw you chewing on it. Don't even act like you weren't. I saw you with my own eyes. Don't be batting it around. That's not dope. No. That cord is not one of your toys. Loofy, so help me God. Do not be pulling stuff out of the cup. Loofy. Loofy. Did you just bite my cord again? Hey, I don't care how cute you try and look. You're not playing with the cord. Yeah. Talking to you, you ass clown. Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Walk away in shame.